Hi guys, in today's episode of Taste of the Town, I'm here at the Cheesecake Factory. The Cheesecake Factory is my #1 American restaurant. You guys wanted to know my top American restaurant, and in the coming weeks I'm going to share that with you guys. Now if there's a place you would like me to show that's located in Florida, please leave them in your comments down below and I'll definitely look into that for you. So sit back and enjoy as I share with you what the Cheesecake Factory has to offer. Here's my favorite, the ultimate red velvet cheesecake. It's the only cheesecake I would eat because I am not a cheesecake lover, and that's the only one that tastes really good. You guys can buy an entire cake or you can have them mix and match the slices for you. It's about $56 the last time I bought an entire cake. Because usually when I travel to Trinidad, I take an entire red velvet cheesecake with me because it's that good. At the Cheesecake Factory is my my favorite American restaurant. So you guys wanted to know what's my favorite, so this is my favorite. One of the good things here is that they have these brown breads. These, when they're hot, and they're hot right now, and they give you butter with it, and you butter the bread with it. It's like so delicious. I'm still trying to see if I can recreate this brown bread because it's like so good.
Good, right? Just let me know when you're ready.
Yeah. So let's see what we're gonna have. I asked him for the firecracker salmon, but he said that they took that off the menu. Guys, that was one of the most delicious things that they had here for small plates and snacks. So I'm just gonna go through really quickly. You all can see the prices. So I think I'm gonna have the chicken taquitos. The chicken taquitos.
Chicken taquito?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll put it in.
So they have like lamb burgers, specialties, lunch specials.
This is pear and blue cheese. This is our avocado toast.
Thank you. Really refreshing. Louisiana chicken pasta. And guys, I do have this replica recipe on my channel. I do have it without the fried chicken, but fried chicken is an option. Here we have the bang bang chicken and shrimp with jasmine rice, and it's a coconut flavored Thai curry dish. And here we have the pork chops with the mashed potato and the apple compote. The apple compote is at the bottom. So some really delicious food here. A burger?
Burger and Caesar salad with chicken.
Thank you. Thank you. So the bread here is so good that I always get an entire baguette to take home.
I'll bring you a box for this one.
Thank you. You guys remember my birthday cake? This was my birthday cake. It's so delicious, so creamy, so rich, so indulgent. It's the best cheesecake. It's the only cheesecake that I eat. I honestly don't like any other cheesecake but this one. So if you guys ever visit Cheesecake Factory, please be sure to try this out. And this is going to be the end of this vlog, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm going to try to be doing some more American restaurants for you all, so stay tuned for that. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.